thanking all the artists who were singing for us songs of encouragement when we were pushing to form government towards 2021. Ngati kanyimbo ka Kabman kalira ati nikulonga walelonga tulia tuine tukerapo oro kulitie kazi tie nayo. That's how we moved. So Kabman, Oga family, all the artists across the country, Tionga ziko mukuli mwe Wanyamata, you did a great job. Tienji wapase manja. Zambia. One day tinali kuliwala kujatangira tichaeka campaign maskonza yamba paja. Kati kakalira chabe ututotu inetwekera hapo tuatia itingera pamele tankala ututopie. Zambia. Bwerani funa ni kuonge mmanja. Bwerani oko Wanyamata. Bwerani. Karikoti. Moraro. Wanyamata. Waleke ni wapite. Vikalira nyimbo vaa bachabe ni shaayai. Tati chive. Very good. Bwera. Well done.
Mr. President. Okay.